friends. My name is Miss Sarah, and today we are here together to talk about character education. What is character education? That's a fantastic question. Character education is learning about the characteristics that make us unique. Characteristics are the little things inside of us that make us special. Our first two characteristics we're going to discuss today are the words curiosity as well as compassion. We're going to be discussing what these two words mean, how we can use them in our life, and how it makes us strong individuals with great character. Our first character education word of the day is the word curiosity. What does the word curiosity mean? The word curiosity means when you have a strong desire inside of your brain to want to learn more about your newest discovery. Miss Sarah was very curious herself. I thought, what is something I'm curious about? And I discovered I'm curious about the human hand. So let's learn about it together. I was very curious to know why my hand would get all wrinkly when I've been underwater for a while. Turns out, my hands get pruny to help me grip things underwater. Upon our curious discovery about the human hand, I got to thinking I'm curious about so many different things, and I wanted to use my curiosity. When I used my curiosity, I discovered that I love learning about the ocean and ocean animals as well. Did you know that the ocean covers almost 70% of the earth? That's a big chunk of the earth that's just water. Did you also know that I love sea creatures? And I learned that because I became curious and used my curiosity. Did you know that sharks are the only known fish in the ocean that can blink with both eyes? Also, I discovered from my own curiosity that shrimp, they do have a heart, but it's not in the normal place. We usually put our hand over our heart. That's where our heart is. But shrimp have a heart in their head. Can you believe that? Because Miss Sarah used her curiosity, I discovered so many new things about oceans and ocean creatures. You too can be curious. You just have to grow your mind, think out of the box, and ask questions. Our second character education word of the day is the word compassion. What does the word compassion mean? It means you show great care to a person in need. You are showing empathy to your friend. You are showing that you do care for them, you are here for them, and you love them. You may show compassion every day. Showing compassion is a big deal for those who feel that they need you. Compassion is an easy characteristic that we can put into our minds and we can use every day with our friends, our family, our neighbors. Showing compassion is a wonderful characteristic that we all can share. Miss Sarah has a visual for our word compassion. Over here behind me, I have a wrinkled up piece of paper, but not just any wrinkled up piece of paper. Do you know what shape this seems to look like? That's right, it's shaped like a heart. And on this heart, it's a little wrinkly, it's a little bruised, it's a little bit wonky, but on this heart, Miss Sarah wrote something super special that will help us remember that being compassionate to our friends is very important. Read it with me. Before you speak, think kind from the start, because it is hard to unwrinkle a heart. So if you have a friend that has a wrinkled heart, they're upset, they're frustrated, we can use our word of the day, our characteristic of the day, compassion, to help our friends and our family have unwrinkled hearts, to let them feel the joy that we can give them by being compassionate. Thank you so much for joining me today in learning about character education words such as curiosity and compassion. These two words can often go together, but these two words are part of what build us to have strong character. Thank you for joining me today. Bye-bye.